Spin a coin, unraveling the idiom. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the phrase, spin a coin. Often heard in casual conversations, this idiom can add a fun twist to your English speaking skills. Stay tuned to learn all about it. Spin a coin is an idiom that implies letting chance decide between two or more options. It's akin to flipping a coin but involves spinning it on its edge instead. This action leaves the outcome to luck or fate, without any bias. The phrase likely originates from the physical act of spinning a coin as a game or decision-making method. It's a traditional way to resolve disputes or make decisions when no party wants to decide. Using spin a coin in everyday conversation is easy. Let's see a few examples. We couldn't decide where to eat, so we decided to spin a coin. When you're not sure what to do, sometimes it's best to just spin a coin and go with the result. While spin a coin is an English phrase, many cultures have their own version of leaving decisions to chance. It's fascinating to see how universal the concept is, despite the different idioms used around the world. That's a wrap on Spin a Coin. Remember, it's all about introducing an element of chance in decision-making. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it adds value to your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and may luck be on your side when you spin a coin.